Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I am doing amazing. It's been a moment. I've been busy moving from one place to another. I got back home, started school, and everything has been all over the place with me because I need to focus on something and I'm not capable of multitasking. I'm not like other women that are able to do multiple things. I tend to do one thing at a time in order to be successful in it. So that's why I've not been able to come out to share most of the things that has been on my mind and the rest I want to put out. Yeah, how are you doing? I hope spring is springing over at your end with the sneezing and dragging of your nose. Like I have been suffering, but yeah, I have my drugs. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't, but we move. That aside, if you're new to this channel, my name is Nigeria. I am from Gloriana and I do not live in Italy. Figure it out. Now, today I want to share with you how to get the BVN for Nigerians living in the diaspora. While planning for this video, I was thinking let's do like a detailed why you need BVN, the history of the BVN, blah blah blah. Right now I'm not in the mood. There's no point doing that because truth be told, if I want to get something done and I go to a video and it starts telling me a story, I either skip or I just get angry and leave. So with that said, let's get into it. BVN, bank verification number, is either you're going to do some registration abroad and you want to get something done in Nigeria and they're telling you bring NIN or BVN. You don't have NIN, you don't have BVN. Which one are you going to use? Okay, let me go and create BVN. Probably that's why you're here. Or you want to create a bank account in Nigeria and they're asking you if you have a BVN. And you're like, what is BVN? Do your research. Here, I'm just going to share with you how to get it in the diaspora. According to CBN, the only place where you're allowed to get this service done is with the OIS service. And yeah, you can get them on oisservice.com. When you get there, you need to create an account or log in. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. So if you are going to register, you should get something like this. You have to provide them with your name as stated on your passport, date of birth, gender, phone number, email, your address, and your login details. That's for those that want to create an account. I do not need to create an account, so I'm just going to go ahead to log in. As you can see, there are different services that they render. Here we have visa application, passport, BVN application, news, NIN application, track visa application, book appointment. I am here, or we are here for just the BVN application. I'm going to go ahead to click that. Now you have to click the country or city you're enrolling from. Now BVN enrollment checklist. Country, I am currently in Italy, and as I see, when I clicked in Italy, it gave me just one option. That means that's the only place where I can get this done in Italy. Any other person that's telling you that come and do it with me is a counterfeit. This is the only place that is official from the CBN. Go to the CBN's website and you'll find out that this is the only agents that are allowed to do this, except something has changed. But from when I checked, it's only the OIS service that are allowed to get this service done, BVN. I know that NIN, other people can do it. There are many agents in abroad or in diaspora that gets it done. But for this BVN, so far, it is this agent. So let's try another country just to be sure. This one is also one. Let's see a country that is likely to have more than one. Let's see the UK, United States. Let's see. Atlanta, just one. Okay. As you can see, in the United States, they have in all the states. So yeah, check for your country and you should be able to get an agent. I am in here, so let's go ahead to click on BVN enrollment requirements. Now it says, please note, if you have enrolled for BVN previously, you cannot enroll again as it would not generate a new BVN. If you register again for the BVN, there will not be any refund of fees. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact your bank. Okay, requirements. For the requirements, you need valid ID, any of the following valid identification documents: Nigeria international passport, Nigeria national ID card, Nigeria driver's license, international passport for non-Nigerians. Yes, non-Nigerians can get the BVN, and yeah, I learned that non-Nigerians can get the NIN. Let's get this off the way. Okay. Also, you will need one recent passport photograph, and here you will need the BVN enrollment form. A copy of the BVN enrollment form will be provided at the enrollment center. Okay. Enrollment fees. How much is the enrollment fees? 40 euros enrollment fees in Italy. Payment method: credit or debit card. Remember to take your card, no cash accepted. So what you need to do now is to apply or book appointment. Now once you get to this page, note that appointment system, here they have this notice saying, we are pleased to introduce an optional premium service for applicants who wish convenience and assistance with their application. And if you need premium service, go ahead to click that. You have plenty of money, you don't go through stress like I do, you can go ahead to use that system. But if you're like me, let's move on. So what type of service are we looking for? BVN enrollment. You're going to click on that, then you're going to click on the center. Let's look for Rome, Italy. Okay, now I don't know what this is for, it doesn't make sense to me, I don't know, but I always click on name, then move on to next. Then you have to pick a date. I figured that Friday there's no available time or appointment for Friday, so you can check on other months, but for the sake of this video, let's do Thursday 29th March. I'm going to pick by 2:30 p.m. Ensure to pick month, day and time. Then click on next. Here you have to provide your application ID, passport number, first name, email and phone number. So let's go ahead to input that. My name, email and phone number. So let's see how this works. It's not accepting my phone number. I don't know what is wrong with it, but I'm just going to add the prefix of what's going on. Okay, he wants fake number. No problem, but it's not accepting like the full digit, so I'm just going to move on for the sake of this video. I don't want to waste time on it, so I'm going to click on this. Next, now we have this. It says, congratulations, booking successful. Congratulations, your appointment booking is complete. Thank you for your patronage. Your appointment booking has been completed. Kindly print your appointment booking slip by clicking on the print button below. Also note that a copy of the appointment slip has been sent to your email. Now you can go ahead to click on print the print checklist, then you can go ahead to print your appointment booking slip. While that is working and opening, let's go back here. Now you can be rest assured that on this date, by this time, when you go there, you would definitely get your BVN. When I did mine, my husband's, not mine, I filled the form at home, booked the appointment. I didn't pay. Then went to Rome, we got everything done, and once we were done, I think he said in 24 to 72 hours we are going to get his BVN, an email stating his BVN, and it didn't go as planned, but we waited, and like let's say 4 days later we got his BVN, so it worked. So yeah, that's about it. Now from this point, if for any reason you are not able to you are not sure you'll be able to honor this appointment, you can go ahead to reschedule. Okay, you can go ahead to reschedule. Go ahead, pick your BVN enrollment acknowledgement slip, look for your tracking number, copy your tracking number like so. Control C, you go back, you put in your tracking number, then you put in your surname, then you click on next. As you can see, this is the date I picked on the 29th of May. You can go ahead to change the date. Let's, for the sake of this video, let's say July 17, pick a time, 2:30. Yeah, then when you click on next, let's do that again for the demonstration. Click on next. Now you say reschedule appointment. Do you want to reschedule your appointment? Yes, reschedule my appointment. As you can see, congratulations, your appointment rescheduling is complete. Thank you for your patronage. Your appointment booking has been completed. Kindly print your updated appointment booking slip by clicking on the print button below. Then you can go ahead to print it. Once you print it, open it, and you will see that the date is now different. When is this appointment date? Last on, okay, this is the date when it was rescheduled, which is on the 4th of May, and appointment day I picked is in July, 17th of July by 2:30 p.m. If you check the old slip, you will see that it's on the 29th of May 2025. That is how you can reschedule if you are not going to be able to honor the appointment. This is very important. We should learn to be decent people. If you're not going to be able to go for an appointment, try to do the right thing ahead of time. Another thing you can do is to cancel your appointment. Okay, so you are not going for that appointment any longer. Add in your tracking number, then your surname, then next. So this is my information, my name, the center, service, BVN, enrollment service, slot. This is the year, the month, the day, and the time. So I'm just going to go ahead to click on next. Now it's asking me cancel appointment. Do you want to cancel your appointment? Yes, cancel my appointment. I'm going to go ahead to click that. As you can see, it is done. Your booking cancellation is complete. Thank you for your patronage. If you wish to book a new appointment, kindly follow the link below. That's about it. That's all you need to do. If you've enjoyed this video, do well to like, comment, share. Another thing, I recently got on TikTok with this page. I created a TikTok account for this page, and I'm enjoying it. It's a totally different ecosystem. You can come on there to join me. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and that's about it again. I'm just blabbing. Bye bye.